When you think of Africa, what comes to mind? Is it poverty, hunger, war, terrorism, or extreme heat? These are some of the things that come to mind for most people when thinking about Africa. But there is one country in Africa that has defied all odds. A small African country that no one knows about. The tiny nation of Djibouti is located in the Horn of Africa and has become the most important country that you've probably never heard about. In this video, we will be looking at 7 reasons why. Before we get into the reasons, let's first take a look at where Djibouti is located. As mentioned, Djibouti is located in the Horn of Africa and is one of the smallest countries in Africa. It is also one of the most overlooked countries on the continent. Djibouti is bordered by Eritrea to the north, Ethiopia to the south and west, and Somalia to the east. Its capital and largest city is Djibouti City, which is located on the coast of the Gulf of Aden. Djibouti has a population of around 1 million people and covers an area of 23,200 square kilometers. Now that we know where Djibouti is located, let us look at 7 reasons why it is the most important country in Africa that you probably have unheard about. Number 1, strategic location. Djibouti is strategically located at the crossroads of 3 continents, Africa, Asia, and Europe. This makes it an ideal location for shipping and trade. In recent years, Djibouti has become a major hub for international shipping. This is due to its strategic location at the entrance to the Red Sea. The city of Djibouti is home to one of the largest free trade zones in the region. This has made it a popular destination for businesses looking to take advantage of the country's strategic location. The free trade zone offers companies a range of benefits, including tax breaks and access to a large pool of labor. Additionally, Djibouti is home to one of the largest container terminals in the region. This makes it easier for businesses to import and export goods. The strategic location of Djibouti makes it an important hub for transportation and logistics. This is why many companies are choosing to set up shop in the tiny African nation. Number 2, growing economy. Djibouti has one of the fastest growing economies in Africa. In recent years, the country has experienced significant growth in its GDP. This growth has been driven by several factors, including the expansion of the service sector, increased foreign investment, and the development of infrastructure. The service sector is the largest contributor to Djibouti's GDP. This sector includes activities such as transportation, communication, and finance. In recent years, the service sector has grown rapidly due to the expansion of the telecommunications industry and the development of new financial services. Foreign investment has also played a major role in the growth of Djibouti's economy. The country has become an attractive destination for foreign investors in recent years. This is due to the government's commitment to economic liberalization and the development of infrastructure. The government has also made efforts to improve the business environment in the country. This includes reducing bureaucracy and corruption, as well as promoting investment in key sectors. These efforts have paid off in recent years, with more and more foreign companies choosing to invest in the country. Infrastructure development is another major driver of Djibouti's economic growth. The government has invested heavily in developing new infrastructure projects. This includes the construction of new roads, ports, and airports. This development has made it easier for businesses to operate in the country and has also created new jobs. These factors have combined to make Djibouti one of the fastest growing economies in Africa. The World Bank estimates that the country will continue to grow at a rate of around 7% per year in the coming years. Number 3, major military hub. Djibouti is now home to a number of major military bases from around the world. This is due to its strategic location in the region. The United States, France, Germany, Italy, and Spain all have military bases in the country. These bases are used for a variety of purposes, including counterterrorism and peacekeeping operations. The U.S. military base in Djibouti is one of the largest in Africa. It serves as a hub for military operations in the region. The base provides support to troops deployed in Somalia and Yemen. It also plays a key role in the fight against terrorism in the region. France also has a major military presence in Djibouti. The French military base is home to troops from the French Foreign Legion. These troops are involved in counterinsurgency operations in the Sahel region of Africa. Germany and Italy also have military bases in Djibouti. These bases are used for training and peacekeeping operations. Spain has recently opened a military base in Djibouti. This base is used for counter-piracy operations in the Gulf of Aden. These bases have brought a lot of money into the country and have helped to boost the economy. They have also helped to improve security in the region. The presence of these bases has made Djibouti a major military hub in Africa. Number 4. Major port. As we mentioned earlier, Djibouti is strategically located at the entrance to the Red Sea. This makes it an ideal location for a major port. The port of Djibouti is the largest port in the region and is a major hub for international shipping. The port handles a variety of cargo, including containers, oil, and grain. It is also a major hub for the import of vehicles into Ethiopia. The port is located in the capital city of Djibouti City, covers an area of 580 hectares, and has a total capacity of 1.5 million TEUs. The port is equipped with modern facilities, including a container terminal, a liquid terminal, and a multi-purpose terminal. The port is also home to a number of shipping companies, including Djibouti Ports and Free Zones Authority, DP World, and CMA CGM. The Port of Djibouti is a major contributor to the economy of the country. It provides employment for thousands of people and generates significant revenue for the government. The port is also a key gateway for the landlocked country of Ethiopia. Ethiopia relies on the Port of Djibouti for its access to the sea. This makes the port an essential part of Ethiopia's supply chain. The importance of the Port of Djibouti is likely to grow in the coming years. The port is currently undergoing a major expansion that will increase its capacity to 3 million TES. This will make it one of the largest ports in Africa. Number 5. Diplomatic relations. Djibouti has good diplomatic relations with most countries in the world. This is due to its strategic location and its role as a major military hub. The country has embassies of over 30 countries, including the United States, France, China, and Germany. Djibouti also has missions to the African Union, the Arab League, and the United Nations. The country's foreign policy is based on non-alignment and peaceful coexistence. Djibouti does not align itself with any superpower and seeks to maintain good relations with all countries. This has enabled the country to play a key role in regional and international organizations. For example, Djibouti is a member of the African Union, the Arab League, and the United Nations. The country has also hosted a number of international conferences and summits. These include the African Union Summit, the Arab League Summit, and the United Nations Environment Assembly. Djibouti's diplomatic relations have helped to bring stability and peace to the region. The country has been able to mediate in a number of conflicts, including the Somali Civil War and the Ogaden conflict between Ethiopia and Somalia. No. 6. Favorable business environment. Djibouti has a favorable business environment that is conducive to economic growth. The government has implemented a number of reforms to make it easier to do business in the country. These include measures to reduce bureaucracy, improve transparency, and protect investors. The government has also made efforts to attract foreign investment. This has resulted in a growing number of foreign companies setting up shop in the country. The business environment in Djibouti is relatively stable. The country has a long history of political stability, and this has made it attractive to businesses. The government is committed to maintaining stability and security in the country. This is essential for businesses to thrive. Djibouti also has a number of advantages that make it a great place to do business. The country has a strategic location at the entrance to the Red Sea. This makes it easy to transport goods to and from the country. The country also has a growing population that provides a large pool of workers. The government is investing in education and training, which is improving the quality of workers in the country. All of these factors make Djibouti an attractive destination for businesses. 7. Untapped potential. Despite all of its advantages, Djibouti remains largely untapped. Most people don't know about the country and its potential. This presents an opportunity for those who do know about the country to take advantage of it. There is a lot of potential for growth in the country, and those who invest in Djibouti can reap the rewards. The country has a strategic location, a favorable business environment, and a growing economy. All of these factors make it an ideal destination for investment. The country has a lot to offer both businesses and individuals. Those who come to Djibouti will find a country that is open for business and ready to welcome them. The country has a lot of potential, and those who invest in Djibouti can be part of its future. Those were 7 reasons why Djibouti is the most important country in Africa that you probably haven't heard about. What do you think of the tiny African country? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. Thanks for watching.